Hey everyone, I am John Mark Kibuis. Today, I will present about information management and entity relationship ER model, two important concepts in organizations and database design. Information management helps organization handle data effectively, while ER model is key tools that shows how different pieces of information are connected. First, I will discuss the information management concepts and fundamentals. Information systems, integrated set of components for collecting, storing, and processing data. So, information systems are tools that help organizations collect, store, and use data. They make it easier to manage daily tasks, communicate with customers and suppliers, and stay competitive in businesses. For example, bank system that process customers' transaction. When you withdraw money, the system collects data, your account number, PIN, withdrawal amount, processes it, checks your balance, and provides information, receipt, update, balance. This shows how an information system supports daily operations. Data versus information. Data is raw facts such as number, symbol, and text, and information is the processed data that is meaningful. Data is raw and unorganized facts like number, letters, or symbol found everywhere. When data is processed and arranged in a meaningful way, it becomes information that people can understand and use for a purposes. For example, student grades versus class average. If you have a list of number or grades like 87, 90, 88, or 95, that is data. When a teacher calculates the average grade or identifies the top student, that becomes information because the raw numbers are now meaningful and useful. Management. Management means guiding and coordinating people and resources like money, machines, and materials to achieve an organization goals through planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. There are three meanings of management according to Theo Heyman. Number one, management as a noun. This refers to the people in charge of running a company or organization. They make decisions and lead others. Number two, management as a process. The step managers follow to keep things running smoothly like planning, organizing, lead, and checking process. Number three, management as a discipline. A subject you can study to learn how to manage people, resources, and businesses the right way. Information management is a technique in collecting, organizing, and distributing information for decision making. What is importance of IM? So, the importance of IM is to save money, earns money, and avoid problems. Without successful management of information, it is almost guaranteed that an organization will fail. Like for example, a hospital patient record system improve decision making and safety. Doctors and nurses need accurate patient data to make good decisions. In the hospital manage information properly, like they organize digital records, doctors can access medical history quickly. So without IM, wrong or missing information can risk lives. Goals of information management. There are 5 goals of IM. These goals helps organizations unlock the full power of their information. When IM is done well, it leads to smarter decision, faster operations, better customer service, and long-term success. Key challenges in information management. These key challenges in information management include the rapid growth of digital data, the growing resilience of information for businesses' success, and the fact that the value of information can change over time. Businesses must manage these issues to create effective information policies. The information life cycle. It shows how the value of information change over time. When data is new, it's very useful, but as it gets older, it's useless. Managing this life cycle helps you store and handle data properly. It includes steps like creating, checking, using backup, and finally, deleting the information. Tools of information management. Information management uses tools like information audit, information mapping, and communication audit to check systems, organize data, and improve communication in organizations. That's all about information management concepts and fundamentals. Next, I will discuss about the entity relationship model. Entity relationship model. The ER model was introduced by Peter Chen in 1976. It is graphical tools to represent entities, their attributes, and their relationships. Simply put, it shows how data is connected in a database. An entity is a person, place, object, or concept about which we store data. In both Chen's and Crowfoot models, entity is represented by a rectangle containing entity's name, and attributes are the properties of an entity. In Chen's model, attributes are represented by ovals and are connected to entity rectangle with a line. In Crowfoot model, attributes are written in attribute box below entity rectangle. Like example, in a school database, student is an entity, while name, age, and contact number are its attributes. Types of attributes. Attributes can be simple or composite, single-valued or multi-valued, and even derived. For example, full name can be divided into first and last name, which is composite. Contact numbers can be many, and that is multi-valued. And age can be derived from date of birth. Next is relationships. Relationship shows how entities are linked or connected. For example, so a student can enroll in one or more courses. A course can have many students enroll in it. So the relationship shows how these two pieces of data are connected in a meaningful way. It helps us understand how one thinks a student interacts with another, a courses. Cardinality of relationships. Cardinality tells us the number of connection between entities. 1 to 1. One entity is linked to only one related entity. 1 to many. One entity is linked to many others, but each of those is linked to only one related entity. Many to many. Many entities are linked to many others on both sides. Example, a person has only one passport, but a teacher can have many students. Students and courses usually have a many-to-many relationship because a student can enroll in many courses, and courses can have many students. And that's all about ERD model. In summary, information management helps organization handle data effectively, turning into useful information for better decision making. Alongside this, the entity relationship ER model is a valuable tool in database design that show how the data is connected, making it easier to understand and manage. Together, they play a key role improving efficiency and supporting smart businesses operations. Again, I am John Mark Gibuis, BSIT student. Thank you.